Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. And today I'm going to start chapter number 12, Active Passive Voice. Already you have studied in active passive voice structures and some examples already I have explained yesterday. And today I'm going to explain some topics which are most important for you. I will talk to you in next videos also about the detail of active passive voice, but some important terms I'm going to take which are most important for you, and without it you may get problems in future. That is why I'm taking here. I'm taking time so that everything I can confirm to you. I'm taking here what are these: negative sentence, interrogative sentence, simple sentence. Here I'm taking this table. Students, most of the students are facing this one problem. That is why it is important here to understand it properly. This is main problem for the students. Just like I am taking here negative sentence. In negative sentence, students sometimes can complete it. But in interrogative sentence, most of the children are facing lot of problems. Just to see, I am going through it. In negative sentence, just like example number 1 is here, children do not love animals. Children do not love animals. And while we change it's into passive voice, we use here, first of all, we have to see children are the subject. Do not, do is a helping verb. Not is negative. Love is a verb. And animals are, these are objects. Animals are object. While we change it's into passive voice, we take here object first. Animals. So animals is plural number here. And if animals are plural number, so we use here plural verb. Is, am, are. There are three verbs. We choose here plural verb are. Not loved. Not already comes here after verb. Helping verb. And we write here love, loved. Love, loved, third form of the verb by the children. In number 2, I am taking she, present continuous tense. This was a simple present. And while comes the turn of simple present, she is not driving a motor car. She is not driving a motor car. In it, what are we taking? A motor car is being driven by her. Why? Motor car is a object here. Driving is a main verb. Verb. She, subject, is helping verb, not a negative verb. And while we change it into passive voice, first we choose here object, a motor car. Then we write here helping verb because motor car is a singular number. So we write here is, and we write being because already you have seen the in a structure. This is there given here, being driven by her. Now turn comes for interrogative. Especially you listen and understand it now. While interrogative word or sentence starts with a helping verb. This is given here: do, does, is, am, are, has, have, anyone. In such cases, we take here, first of all, this one helping verb we omit out, and we write according the object number and person. Suppose here we taking children, subject, love, verb, animals, object here. Animals, object. If animals are object here, so animals are the plural number. In case of plural number, what do we use here? We use are animals loved by children. According to the structure we write here. One more example I would like to give you here. Just like I'm taking next one example, and you have to see this one. What is number 1? Number 2, this one I'm taking. Who teaches you English? Who teaches you English? This is given here, question mark. This is also very important. So in such a condition, while who comes, we change this one who. First we write here by. By we write here. And who change into whom. By whom. Object what is? English, singular number. So what do we use here? Who teaches? Because this is a simple present and interrogative sentence. In such cases, what do we use here? By whom you. Object is coming here. So we use here by whom are you. Are you. What is teaches? Teaches also coming. So we write here taught. T-A-U-G-H-T. Taught. English. We write this one. By whom you taught English. And we write question mark here. Simple sentences. I have also taken some simple sentences for revision. Once more you can see. She helps the poor. The poor is helped by her. The gardener is plucking the flowers. The flowers are being plucked by the gardener. He has sold his horse. His horse has been sold by him. These are the structures of these are the examples of negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and simple sentence. So you have to change in this way. And I hope you are able to understand, and you have to try to practice these examples.